eyelash lifting. So as you can see, I have the product here that I'll be using. And this will be the first time that I'm gonna do it by myself. I had my eyelash lifting for the first time in the salon, and then I will be doing this now today, as you can see. So let's see what's inside in this box. But actually I already opened this, so this is how it looks like when you open. So they give us this in the package, so everything is included that you are using. So yeah, this and this. So I'll be putting this here first because let's read the instructions. So in the box, it has instruction at the back. All right. So let's put it under our eyes, as it says. Yeah. So here's the glue. Okay. I hope this gonna work, you know, because all right. Next is, let's put it. Should I let it put it? I think I should let it there for a moment and then put it here. Oh my god, this is so hard. I have to close my eyes. I should have closed it first. So yeah, as you can see, it's closed now. Next is the number one, which is the perm. The perm. And as you can see, it's covered now. Let's wait for 8 to 12 minutes. Let's wait 8 to 12 minutes. Let's take this off. And then next is let's apply the number 2, which is the fixing, which is the blue one. And then after applying it, let's use the plastic film again, cover it for 8 to 12 minutes again. But I'm going to do like 12 minutes. Yeah. Yep. Wait. Wait up. Oh my god, I have to actually close the eyes, or my eye, because it's a little bit spicy, or stingy, spicy. But this one is, I didn't put it properly, it makes me very, so, but yeah, we're almost done there. So yeah, after using this, as I've said, let's cover it with the plastic. So 12 minutes is done for the fixing. So now let's take this off and then clean the pads. Woohoo! Oh my god, I'm so surprised. And then let's clean. So let's use the number 4, which is the cleanses. Let's use this one to clean everything. All right. Oh, so this is the cleaning stuff. Huh? Can you see it? Can you see how pretty that is? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Let's put more. Nutrition. Oh my god, it's super pretty. Like, it's super pretty. Then, of course, repeat the steps in the other eye. Okay, let's clean. Grabe, super pretty. Ouch. Guys, it's super pretty. So, I'll be back when this one. Hi guys, I am done. I'm not sure, but I feel like it's too much lifting, but I think it will be okay. Like after a few days, like it will be down na. But as of now, as you can see, it's too left. But I'm happy with it. So this is how it looks like, and next is my eyebrows lamination. So that's it for today's video, and bye. See you to the next one.